Hello everybody, welcome back. We're still in the Philippines, the visa's still in the process, but in God's goodness, it's gonna happen so soon. Anyway, how are you guys doing? It's, a pleasant day. Actually, it's raining here. It's rainy season already in the Philippines. Sa Pilipinas, Filipino, other foreigner viewers that we do have. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Magandang umaga, the foreign country, good morning, good evening, whatever the time in the countries you're living in. Hello, is that I could share to all people, the couple, the woman, the man, the man, the man, the woman, the man, or a couple, or they're just starting the relationship, especially a Filipina with a foreigner partner. What do we got here? Of course, the most talk of the town, and I've just watched a lot this issue about, an LDR. And how does LDR works, and whom is really needed to take LDR, and the LDR is for whom. Actually, we cannot say that LDR is just for the strong or anything. An LDR is not for the weak, but necessarily it is really required for the strong person or couple, because LDR is not an easily, daily need or daily things to do, right? So, yeah, I'm not gonna go far. I'm just going to, what do you call that? Based on our relationship, that it's not easy, but we made it for over 9 years and we're making it still. You know what's the secret? That stay tuned. That's what I'm going to share to you. I didn't make a note because I don't like to keep in the list what I'm going to say here. I just want to say whatever comes into my heart, because this is the real. This is the real me, the real us, the real things that happened between me and Butch for so many years. Okay, you ready, guys? I know people got say that not all my opinion LDR is not fit to them. Maybe they have a different way or different things to deal with or different strategy to deal LDR in order for them to make it work, right? So again, what I'm going to share here is just about May and Boots, and then to give some inspiration to the people that, especially the Filipina having the foreigner partner. It's not that only American, could be Australian or any kind of men from the other country. Right? So, okay, how can I start? But anyway, again, don't get me wrong, it is for everybody. We have a freedom of speech, freedom will, a free will to freedom of our will to say what we want to say, right? But no one has the right to say that, oh, what you're saying is wrong. But again, everyone is free to comment, to say something, or it's your opinion. And again, what I'm gonna say here, it's my opinion. So, that's what I'm going to say. Though everybody, wala pong masama, it's not that bad to comment, and I'm willing, and we are willing to read and understand. Who knows, me and Butch could learn more about you guys, or thank you if after this video that I'm gonna tell you is gonna help you guys to make your relationship, especially the LDR situation, okay? So what I'm going to share to you, anyway, I just wanna tell you that we met, Butch and I, actually we have YouTube channel, guys. Those who are not yet subscribed to our channel, and those who are not yet knew who we are, actually my fiance is Butch Busby. He lives in America. And then me is Malu. I'm using Busby because I'm proud to you. Just to show your love to the one that you're really wanting to be with and spend the rest of your life with. It's just I'm using it. And check our channel, guys. Butch in Malu Discovery. And then, it's all the story from the beginning. We started ups and down, all the struggles we've been through, it's there. So as of the moment, we are still living in the Philippines. As you could see, as you could notice, guys, those who are new to my channel, I have a different background. We just 1 month ago, we just moved into the new apartment, which is fit enough for me and my son while we're staying in the Philippines. So we're good so far. And then go to our channel, and we already posted there. I updated our viewers or supporters to watch there. And I think it's hitting the views. Thank you guys for the support. It really helped to update. We didn't much put a lot of videos so far for the past months because, Boots just left for US and my son got an injury, surgery, and then lately Butch got surgery too, everything. But you know what good thing there is? God is with us, and all the journey, struggles, obstacle, and everything, God is with us. That's why we may worried, but at the end of the day, we have to end our day with a pleasant faith that God is really good, and the people who really accept Him as their God. Okay, so anyway, this is an update again. So I was thinking what I'm gonna tell to my viewers or to my supporters. What's new? Actually, our relationship when we started and everything is already posted. But again, to update it, I keep browsing on the social media, especially the TikTok, and I've seen a lot. There are a lot of couples like Filipino women and men, American foreigners, not just American, other foreign men. So they're having trouble, and then 2 years, 3 years after so many things that they dealt in, they choose to end up the relationship because LDR really can no longer work on them. So trust me guys, LDR, it's not really easy. But again, I have 5 characters here or traits that I'm gonna mention and tell to you guys what is you really need to have once you enter the kind of relationship which is LDR. LDR is not just long distance relationship, it's just, a life dealing a relationship with, the other people at the foreign country, right? So, okay, let's start. And I wish you guys just listen. And again, free to comment. Say, if I say something wrong, I'm gonna ask sorry. But whatever I'm gonna say here is just from my opinion. I didn't get it from the experience of other people. It's just from me and Butch, okay? So, yeah, we're in LDR over 9 years, guys. We just celebrated 8 years last March 2026. Because we met at, at a Facebook accidentally, I don't know, I don't remember. Oh, no, I remember, sorry, that I'm not in the dating side that time. I'm busy. I'm a single mom, single parent for my boy, trying to work hard, work home. I'm trying to give the best care of my boy. So maybe it's just God's will why we met, and then until now we're making it because because maybe the love at first wala eh. At first that's not totally strong love. Guys, sometimes love when you work out din po kasi yung love. Love is really needed for you to work out together. It's not just one side. Both of you guys, you need to exert effort for that. So, okay, we met, March 20, we made our relationship official after he called March 24, 2018. Maybe we met after 3 days. We met March 20 like that. March 20 is, or 19, something like that. It's my day up there. That time at work, I'm working at the sales coordinator at the Toy Kingdom Toy Express at the SM. So yun, you know what guys, before, he's not that pleasant to my eyes. I'm so picky when it comes to the man. You're gonna tell me I'm not that pretty, but I'm so picky. Why not? I have standard. Even I'm not that pretty, that could other people said that woman is not pretty but so picky. Why not? It's not wrong for us to have a standard in life. So, okay. By the way, let's go to that. We met, and then maybe I think I remember. I don't know how. Maybe it's God's will, guys. It's too awkward to admit, but if I'm not mistaken, I messaged Butch first, or and he responds. That's it. Yeah, and then, we start talking that day. After response, hi. I don't know, I forgot the exact word I said before, but maybe hi, like that. And his profile before is like a full of beard here, the mustache, and that's is really irritates me. I don't know, maybe if it is the will of God really, guys, you cannot stop, right? You cannot, I don't know, we just start. It's so funny. Okay, it started, maybe I think Butch replied to me. So yeah, we start that talk, and I don't have load that time. I told him, just we start texting, and I told he wanna call because he's doubting if I might be a lady boy. Sorry, I have nothing against with the LGBTQ. I'm okay with that. I respect you guys. Maybe he was just in burst because there's a lot of scammers, right? Na sometimes they are pretending as a woman, but the truth is not. They're just scamming, pretending, and using like the sexy profile of the women, and then all of the sudden they, mabubuko sila. They will be caught that they're not real. So he wanna call to prove that if I'm totally in real lady that time, because my profile that time on my Facebook is I'm sitting like at the pool with not wearing two-piece. I'm sexy during the time. I'm sexy that time, no fats yet. It's sexy, in short. But anyway, yeah, I am. And then maybe he was just wondering, I wanna see this woman in call to prove that she is really a woman. But I told to, okay, that time I told to Butch, I'm sorry, I don't have load yet to call. I have for data. And, I'm not spending money for that load because my priority is my son. Maybe he just sent me $60. He asked my number and address and said me buy load so I could call. Then yeah, to make the story short, so I bought a load and everything. So we start talking. And after 3 days, if I'm not mistaken, because he proved that, I'm a woman totally, a real one. So I'm the one who made and declared it officially March 24, 2018. We're in the relationship. But guys, I'm still married at my first husband and my ex before. And I really don't have a plan to take this relationshit online and everything, because I'm really focused on my son's well-being, to be taking care of everything. I'm a single parent. So maybe it just like I said, guys, if it is the will of God, I don't know. I just keep going, try. So until so month past month, and he decided maybe wanna come. He has no passport at all because he never been traveling to other country. Maybe he wanted to see me. He asked and he got his passport. I think within 2 weeks he got his passport. So kumuha po siya ng passport niya, and then and then after month by before they came here 2018 August 6. October 6, in 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. It is for the record, yeah. And by that, while we're talking, he is with his brother that time they came. And then because his brother, older than him, sorry, correct me guys, which is we introduce it to my youngest sister, which is the sister next to me. So funny, yeah. But anyway, my sister already married to his brother. They're over 7 years. I think if I'm not mistaken, they left here 2020, December 6, during pandemic. So December, they're 6 years na there. And my niece, with her going to second year college na. And she's married to Butch's brother. So let them out in our story. So, our Butch and I, they visit here, come here and everything. So, at first, I told him, I'm still married, of course. I don't know, the annulment in the Philippines is not that easy, right? So, yeah, and then, we kept it. Maybe Butch, I don't know, he's really pursuing me. And during that time, I think, he's still dealing with, divorce. I don't know, like that. So, yeah, and I told him, how can it gonna be work? Because I'm still married with my first husband, and it can't be. We will be in jail if you come here and we stay together. And that time, I really don't like guys to live in America. Because, my heart belongs to Philippines. And, Philippines is my home. Maybe because this is most of the Filipino people want. Even there are Filipino just wanted to come. They just want to visit America or other countries. But still, Philippines is still, this is my love country. Bansa natin eh. So, that's it. But that time, so, and maybe after they visited here, and then they came back to America, and then we talked. He said, okay, we will annul, he said, we will annul your, we will file the annulment for your married, and then because he wanna marry me, he wanna pursue me. You know what, guys, he's so lucky. I have, Butch is not rich. People just said when you have a foreigner partner, it's rich. No, it's not. It just, he's just a very good man, smart, and everything. He say he can have things, you know. And then on the relationship keeps on going like that. And it's not easy, guys, to deal. You know, I don't know if I can handle this, but because it's a relationship, and I was worried too. Maybe he will get tired of me, right? But before we start the relationship, keep going. I just asked to Butch, I wanna start this relationship, but all I could invest here is 5 letters. This is trust. Trust involves honesty and everything. Because if you don't have trust, guys, it's really not gonna work. You will have always that thinking, anxiety, and everything. So, yeah, trust. And then so far, I never cheat. You know, maybe, you know, you could meet a man, because I have on social media, my YouTube, they might like me, because, you know, but when you start responding to them, it will be considered flirting or cheating. But again, you cannot avoid somebody that you could meet someone and they may like you. But if you're honest to yourself, and if you're honest to your partner, you could say no and don't mind them, don't pay them attention, right? So that's it. So our relationship keep going until he's planning to come actually before pandemic, but March 2020, the pandemic came, right? And then second coming, he came here for the second time. If I'm not mistaken, is in the record 2022, before my birthday, July 17, 16, I think. And then the third visit that he did is 2025. That was July also, before my birthday. 15, 16, like that. And then the fifth coming, fourth pala, is just this 2025, first, second, third, 2024, sorry, September. And then 2025 is the fourth visit of Butch. He stayed here for 7 months, almost 7 months. You know, he noticed everything in the Philippines, if he gonna handle. He doesn't really like to live at the you know, like this city. He want his area in the Americas, in Louisiana. He has, you know, property there that the neighbor is just very far, except with the family, you know. But that's why maybe our plan actually is to stay here. When I got annulled, we're gonna get married here, and then we live here. But so far, he studied everything, and then that plan changed after 6 months, I think. So of course, I know it's leaving the Philippines soon, but yeah, sometimes you have to work it out, because having a relationship, especially partner or planning for marriage, is not just all about your opinion. Both sides should be taken. And then, you know, our relationship lasts for we're going to be 9 years. So, of course, every day, the consistency is everyday communication. I have 5 characters that I invested to this relationship. First, guys, as I mentioned earlier, trust. Why trust? Because trust, being at a LDR, it's not easy to give. You don't see your partner, you don't know what he's doing, what I'm doing. You both have a same thought about it. So you should have this trust that if you really have respect to that partner, to your partner, or to me, he has, the trust is there. Trust is very important. When a person, either me or him, I lost his trust, he lost my trust, it's not gonna work. What's the sense? What for? If you're gonna stay at the LDR, there's no trust. Just for what? To have the, you know, to satisfy the flesh, even in the video, it's no, no, no to me. You know what, guys? There are people like that. Yeah. They gonna send money. I'm not saying it all. I have heard a lot just for the satisfaction of, you know what I mean. But no, we're not like that. And then, I asked him, trust me. I'm not annulled that time. It's not easy. I might scam him, use him and everything. But one thing, once you choose to that situation being LDR, you have to involve God between you because LDR is not really easy. First is trust, of course. I told you trust is very important. Because if you don't have trust to your partner, to each other, you will have your anxiety. So, you will just choose to live and quit that relationship because you can no longer, you keep thinking negative because you don't have trust. Right? So, next is faith. Faith faith in Him, first to God, that that relationship that God made for you gonna work, and then faith to Him and faith to me, not to the point we will adore each other, no. Just whatever He do, I will believe Him. Whatever I do and I can do, He'll believe me. So that's important. Faith slash loyalty. Once you are faithful, you are loyal. No? There are some men or women that could, you know, interfere or like that. But what matters here, you know how to value your partner. Yeah, you could talk to them, but not to the point you could just share your private moment. You're gonna share your everything. It's a cheating form. It says cheating is not, a mistake. It's a choice that you're gonna pick. Because, sometimes when you cheat, I'm sorry, I'm just a human, I got tempted. No, it's not a mistake. It's a choice that you choose, that you made. Because from the beginning, it's a cheating. It might gonna ruin your relationship, right? But you still did it. So, no one to be blamed. Cheating, it's you yourself. No one else, or both of you, right? Yeah, first is truth, second is faithful slash loyalty. And that's what, I'm not perfect, but I could say, yeah, we both have that. And we respect each other. You know, talagang it's napaka-importante nung may respeto ka. Kasi kung hindi, kung pera-pera lang, it's all about the money and satisfaction of the flesh, even at the big you call, it's not gonna work, guys. Because lust is not belong to God. Holy Spirit doesn't like the lust. But, yet, making love is normally for the couple. It's nothing wrong with that. It's legally you could make it because that is sacred. Right? So that's what for me, again, as I said, guys, don't get me wrong, it's just my opinion, based what is the recipe that I do have and we both have at this relationship, why it works. And until I got annulled, finally, and we're making it, we're processing the visa, finally, in God's perfect timing, it's gonna happen and we will be together. I know it's not easy, we've been through a lot, but again, I'm just making this video to make you inspire everyone that, yeah, it is not a joke. But again, if you have the willingness to pursue, LDR is really a great achievement and accomplishment when once you both guys make it or made it. So again, trust, loyalty slash faithfulness. Next is, you have that effort. You have that effort. Both of you, not just me, not just him. Let's say effort, what is the specific effort? Effort is not just only the guys will send you money and the you're gonna receive it. No, everything. Effort, guys, including how is he, what's going on, what you're dealing with. Both of you, both sides should have effort to each other. Because effort is like a job. If the job is effortless, do you think you could appreciate it? I think you have to put a full effort and real effort to that so things might be accomplished in a good way. Yeah? So, effort to each other. That's a very important. And number 4 is, of course, the patience. Guys, very important. And you know what? What's funny? Patience is not my character. I'm sorry. But again, I don't have that. I'm a very impatient person. When something, I just see it's not placing into my eyes, I got irritated. I hate waiting especially. And then when I have somebody talk, or I have meeting, or I have people to meet, when I said 9:30, you should be there. Me, 1 hour before, I'm already at the venue or the area or the meeting place. I hate waiting. It irritates me so much. But things change when you have the Spirit of God that you're asking, especially when you're pursuing things, you really need one of the best recipe of LDR is patience. Totoo po yun. It's really true. Because I may not say that I completely very patient person or woman, but I could say, it's really changed. I have that because my partner is at a very far, which is in America. It's very important, guys. Even you're tired, you gonna ask, how are you? Even he is working, even is, there is no in a day, there, how many years we are going here, but I don't remember na there's a days that pass not we didn't talk. Because especially yung oras, the time is day here, night there. It's a big thing for you to get patience. Why? He's gonna sleep there, it's morning here, it's my time to talk, and it's evening here, it's my sleeping time, and then there is morning, he's working. Guys, look at that situation. It's very difficult. But if you have that patience, included perseverance, is last perseverance, it's all the virtues. But again, guys, I had it. And I wish to had it. And God gave it to me because I decided. Because I want to pursue this relationship. And Butch is a great guy. He's a great father, father. He's a great guy. And I'm so blessed to the Lord that I have him. I didn't dream, Butch. I didn't dream that man. But sometimes whatever that we don't dream, that's one thing that God gonna give to us because God never give what we want. But God gave what He want for us and He knows the best for us. That's what I believe. So, yeah. First truth, faithfulness or loyalty or faithfulness is last, and third is the effort, should be full effort, and the fourth one is patience, guys, or perseverance. You have to be persevere in doing things. Yeah, it's a virtue, guys, but yeah, it might be funny, but guys, in LDR, you should have all of that. There I come to a point na talagang we just choose. Did I even come to a point give up? Yeah, it might, there is, but not. Because sometimes it's so tiring. You're tired, you're dealing in life, struggles in life, ups and downs, and your partner is in a very far place. We both far from each other. It's not easy, guys. But this is one thing. And of course, included with that patience is you're matured. There are some relationship that I could see. Young Filipina, 20s, 21, 23, and I have nothing against with that. That's their feeling, it's their emotions, it's their way, it's their life anyway. So, sometimes, very important also, is maturity. I'm a mom. I have my son, turning 16 on October. Of course, I became a single parent for so many years before I met Butch. Maturity is the best thing another thing, could add to the recipe in LDR, guys. And I think I could say it's not being nagbubuhat ng sariling bangko or you're carrying your own chair. I have that maturity, I think. I might not be perfect. I got pissed. I got disappointed. I got everything. But at the end of the day, I choose to remain. Why? Because once the thing is given to you by the Lord, all you need to do is to do it, pursue it, and use all the kinds of patience, perseverance, loyalty, trust, effort, and of course, with the provision of the Lord. You cannot make things success without God, without God's help and guide. Don't say, I can make it because I'm strong. Don't say, I can make it because I'm smart. Even how great you are, how rich you are, how much money do you have. Guys, this is one thing I could tell you. If without God's provision and grace over our life, you cannot make it. Yeah, maybe in a year or two, but it will end broken. It will end ruined. It will end miserable if without God's provision. And ito yung patotoo ko lang. This is one of my proof that over 9 years at LDR with Butch, guys, we spend a lot of faith to each other. And where that faith came from? To the Lord. Because who created us? God. Right? Who gave us strength every day? God. Right? Yeah, it's very important po. Prayer. Actually, I just mentioned 5, but there are a lot of recipes that you could use. And lastly, this is very important. Open communication. no matter what, how difficult the situation is, how painful it is, it might your partner get mad or pissed, tell it to him, tell it to me. Sometimes we do keep things because we don't like our partner to get hurt, to get offended, to cry and everything. Let cry each other. Let deal things each other. Let deal it together. Just let it be. Be open to each other. Communication is the great key. It's parang spice of the LDR relationship. And even you're together already, communication is very important because in communication, you created moment, you created memory, you created ambience, you created a good home when you have a proper communication with your partner. But again, we're still at the LDR right now. So, open communication, as I said, walang araw, there is no day pass that we didn't talk. Morning there, evening here, morning there. Every day since we met at 2018, March 19 or 20, like that. Yeah, guys. It's not easy. You're gonna surprise. How did you make it? Again, I just use a lot of recipes, but I just mentioned the 5 or 6 recipes, the major one that I had. Very important that you have, guys, with your partner, if you're dealing or facing or handling the LDR relationship, guys, is the trust and open communication. And with that, I'm telling you, it's gonna work. Again, if you have that kind of one of the best, key or recipe, it's gonna work, guys. Because once you talk things, settle things, and you as a partner should be right, talk, listen, and solve the problem. Do not be afraid. Do not skip. Do not, quit or do not escape for the problem. Face it. Deal with it. No matter what, how difficult it is, how painful it is, tell to your partner. And sometimes, I got pissed, Butch got pissed because he doesn't like what I'm doing. Mostly because he said I'm stubborn woman, but he loves me. And I love him too. Before, it's not that I told you that love is boing, magic there. No, we work hard to make that love stronger enough. Again, how did we made it? Of course, first we have this Jesus in between us. We're not perfect. We came from a different world. He's American, he has a different culture, and I'm a Filipina. I had my own culture here. And that culture sometimes, especially the couple, it is the big or major cause of separation, quit, give up, because we didn't understand each other because we have a different culture. He likes that, I don't like that, I like mine, he doesn't like it. Guys, when you stuck that kind of situation, it's really, I'm telling you, it's not gonna work. Because you're just in your comfort zone, having a relationship, especially foreigner, and you are at the LDR. You have to have the open communication, telling what you feel, what you want. He said, give and take, guys. In the relationship, it's not just only one side to be taken. It should be both sides to be taken. And I'm telling you, it's gonna work. We're still working on it, but I know in God's perfect timing, and I do believe that in God's perfect timing, it's gonna happen. And I have faith that God will allow us to have the life that God planned to us. Jeremiah 29:11, what God's plan to us? Great future. And that great future is not yet happening to us with me and Butch, but it's gonna happen in God's perfect timing. Right? So again, what I've shared to you, I mentioned to you, I didn't mention here all our story because it's already, guys, posted in our YouTube channel. From the beginning, ups and down, plans, change, and everything, it's already there. So I just discussed this because LDR, I've seen a lot of videos and TikTok and social media, a lot. It's why you broke up because LDR, I can't handle it anymore, I can blah blah blah, a lot of reasoning. Why that reasoning turned into the attitude of gaining each other, winning each other, staying to each other, making a dream come true, making a moment, make a story that could inspire other people. Why not? Again, but we have a different kind of mindset, we have a different kind of maturity. But again, if I make it, if Butch made it, why you can? You just a human too. Nothing is, there's no difference between us. But again, what I could say, maturity is the big factor, and then open communication, even how difficult things are between you. And if you have the chance together, he visited you, make all the time, just give it the best, make that time the best, create a memory, make a memory to remember. And important din po yan kapag yan na nag-process ng visa, it's important to keep all those memory because isa yan sa mga requirement. Right? So, yun guys, I have that 5, trust, loyalty, faithful or loyalty, effort, could be, patience or slash perseverance, in most of all guys, open communication. Open communication included that maturity. There are a lot that you could do in the LDR. But again, LDR is for whom? That could be the title that I'm telling to Butch here. I might say LDR for the strong person, but not all the strong person could handle LDR. Maybe she or he is just strong somehow the way that he could be. But let's say LDR is open for everybody. It is how you gonna deal, guys, how you gonna handle LDR or being a partner or involving to a partner or getting into a partner which is the other country. I cannot say that LDR for the strong or not for the weak. Who knows? They might be weak in some other things, but at handling this kind of task, LDR is a task for me. It's a project to be successful. Who knows? They might handle it. So we cannot judge people. We cannot say. But again, whatever it is, it will be depend you guys. You and your partner, me and Butch, or anyone around there, Filipina, co-Filipina, might say that if they can make, why can't we? Yeah, that's a good mindset, guys. Always a positive thought together at each other. Kasi napakahalaga po nun. Okay? Again, this is just based on my opinion. Kaya, once you enter to LDR, make sure your heart is ready, your mind is strong enough. Just what I've said, the recipes that needed to make, parang sa isang menu, para mapasarap nyo. Although, lahat kayo, 10 contestant, all of you, 10 contestant in one menu is chicken adobo. How can you make a different taste in best of the best? Because you have a lot of menu and ingredients needed to be put in order to make it delicious. Is more and more ahead of than the other contestant, right? Same with the relationship. It depends to you guys. You're the woman, or could be a woman is foreigner, Filipino is the man. It's just for the couple. Either mostly foreigner, because we have a different culture. That's the major factor there. Different culture, how you gonna make it? And again, if we made it, why can't you? It's all about perseverance to pursue things. And there is love, of course. Trust. Again, the 5 that I've mentioned earlier. Very, very important, guys. So, that's it. I wish you guys learned something. And I'm not all the comments, all the opinion, it's open, guys. We have a freedom of speech, free will to say something what we want. It is just based on us. And whatever yours, you could share your experience until you get married and you succeed or being LDR. We're going to 9 years at this LDR. But I'm positive. We will make it. And until the last breath of our life, we will stick together. Because God maybe accidentally let us meet. And I want to be grateful to the Lord for giving me Butch. He's a great grandfather, a father, a son, a siblings for his family. That's a good thing. He is a family oriented. In his family is really discipline them the way how they respect woman, people, or I'm proud of his parents. Very disciplined mama, but his dad passed away last 2024, I think. Yeah, passed away. 2025, I don't know, I forgot. if I'm not mistaken, it will be going to 2 years that Daddy Pete passed away. But their great parent, his siblings, I know all of his siblings, and my sister is the wife of his brother, and I could say they're great people, they're great family. And I salute him for the unconditional love that Butch showing me, and he'll gonna show me once we get together. Actually, guys, our first plan is to stay in the Philippines. We will get married here, but things change. That's nothing is permanent to the world. Only changes could not be changed. It's always changed. So I'm open to changes because we're not getting any younger. I have to be more matured enough dealing life. And my son will be turning 16. He's gonna be grown soon. So yeah, just be open enough to accept things. What could be the life will bring you and where the life could take you. Always keep the Lord with you, and I'm sure you're gonna be successful. Because only God knows what's best for us. We might be smart or intelligence or whatever, but at the end, the last decision is God's provision and grace to our life. Okay, so thank you very much. I wish guys you've learned something. Again, you're open to comment, say what your opinion about it. But again, LDR is for whom? Is LDR good work? What is LDR for you guys? And why there is LDR? And lastly, is the LDR really required for you to get your real happiness? That's all the question. And that question could be answerable or answered on the comment section that you could put once you read this story. Thank you very much for your patience to listen and to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. To all the people who new in our YouTube channel, you guys, please subscribe. And we're monetized, praise the Lord. And thank to the people who supported us to make it happen. Thank you. One day we could return the favor in you guys, but right now we're starting to stabilize it, building it, and make it a lot in more known at the social and YouTube community, YouTube world. Why not? There's no harm in trying, and we made it. We got monetized in our effort and again perseverance and patience to things. So thank you very much. I love you all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video if you watch it. And our love is always to you guys and above to the Lord. Thank you. Stay healthy, guys. Ingatan, be careful in everything we do. And in anyone who could experience dealing this, as long as you have that kind of recipe that I've mentioned here, it's gonna work. Trust not to me, trust your ability to handle this, and above all to the Lord. Right? So again, thank you very much. You guys stay safe, live life to the fullest, but not to the fullest to the point God is not with you. Okay? Enjoy the life, take care of our health matters, and again, it's all about LDR. Thank you guys, I salute you. Thank you for the love and support. This is the end of my LDR sharing. Bye-bye! And God bless you po. Thank you so much po.